Stop yawning. You have barely done
Evan,
anything.
I still want to launch. I still want to launch tonight, though.
And we are
Live.
Hello.
All right, Mark. Why don't you go ahead and kick it off?
Yeah, yo. Good stuff. Been working on the website like crazy, and you know, it's coming together. So, for those of you who are watching, you know, we kind of talked about this, but we do a lot of testing in our business, which is what you should do for your business and your apps that you're building if you're serious about building up an app company. And so we're just testing different sales funnels, things like that. And it based on our data and just overall gut feeling, though, too, we feel like it makes sense to have a website to buy courses on. Some people want to buy courses before they do a subscription. So that's what we've implemented, the ability to buy a course offered directly from a website. And then you can go into the app and actually watch it there, make it easier for you to find them as a customer. Anyway, so we've been working on this all week. Huge feature, amazing experience, and we feel like it's the right direction. So anyway, that's what I've been working on. It's really going to be important for the upcoming iOS 11 course, which you'll be able to get straight from Devslopes in our Devslopes app. So we'll send you an email about the course. You can buy it directly and then get it in the app without having to do any searching or anything. Very easy. So that's what I've been working on. Really big deal. We've all been working on it, but it's I haven't slept much this week. So
Nice, man. Good stuff. It definitely shows. The work, not the fact that you haven't slept a lot.
Not the bags under the eyes.
Jason, why don't you go ahead?
Busy day. Man, with all this web stuff, I was like 35, 40 emails behind. And so I caught up on loads of emails and then fixed some videos in the Android section. Some of the videos, we got some reports from students that there was some duplicates. And so I got that all updated in the admin app. I went through and all of our preview videos that we're using in the website can now be streamed through Vimeo. So I had to go through and add all these thumbnails and change all these privacy settings and embed settings. And so got that up and running. Looks great. Added sales points to all the courses, which was fun. It's fun adding sales points to like a coding language that you have no clue like what it is or how it works, like Android, for an example. Like I was watching the videos to even like learn what I should say about it because I have no idea what fragments and activities are. So
he's like, you can frag people and
throw some frag grenades like in Call of Duty.
We better
get some activities like Play-Doh. So
I'll be looking at them over time myself too. So
Android course has frag grenades.
There you go. So yeah, some of them might need some tweaks here and there, but got all those done and went through the website, worked on some of the cards, Evan, that you posted, and fixed some of those tweaks and bugs. Yeah, I think that's it. It's been like kind of all over the place, like people asking me things left and right. Oh, and I got Evan some clips to make the SaaS course preview video. So yeah, it's all good, fun stuff.
Nice, nice, good work, man. Jack Attack.
Yeah, can you hear me, man?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, so I've been doing some more server work for Mark. I think it was, I can attest to Mark's dedication because I think it was just before midnight my time last night when he got me up out of bed to do some stuff. And then this morning, I got up a little bit before 6, and after I got out of the shower, I checked, and like 20 minutes before, he had made his last post for the night. So anyway, been working on some of that. I did quite a bit of work on the Windows app today with some more data model stuff and data service stuff, and think I figured out the UI on it. How approximate like a collection view in UWP with Xamarin. So we're going to use something called a wrap layout and try that and see how it works out. So,
Hey, Jack.
yeah,
Jacob made an endpoint for you. You know, the like the
lessons,
what's that?
the all web lessons.
Yeah.
And
Anyway, I changed the code there, and it's a breaking change. So if you were already tapping into that, it's a breaking change. You're gonna want to look at that.
Okay, because I just
Why you
added the
breaking my
lessons
code,
this
bro?
morning.
It's because you wrote bad code. You made a field called user ID when it should have just been ._ID, and it.
User ID.
I understand. It's okay.
I don't believe that.
You approved the pull request. And you merged.
That's my fault.
Was
I
it
guess
like
that is true.
lesson ID or something?
Yeah. Anyway, it's no big deal.
All right.
I think that may have already been in there when I did that this morning. So it's all good. That's what I got.
Cool, man.
Nice, man. Good stuff. Johnny B with the fresh beanie.
And a fresh beardy.
Hey guys, I'm just muted over here talking to nobody because no one can hear me.
Oops. Okay. Let's see. What did I just say? Today was a good day. It was a fun day. Got to do some cool animations for the Kickstarter UI for the Mac app. So that's all finished up and looks really cool. The lifetime background, I think, really adds a lot instead of just like the plain white background. So that looks really cool. Then did some unit tests. Did some Udemy QAs, Discord, and let's see what else. Just some other bugs that were reported, and yeah, that's it. All
Nice.
good.
Great work, man.
Nice.
The Kickstarter UI looks really good. Both you and Nate. I'll let you go ahead, Nate.
Alrighty. So yeah, today I was able to finish the Kickstarter UI for the tvOS. So that's been merged in. And then I just before this, well, maybe it's finished. There's a couple comments on the pull request, but I did the My Courses section. So that's been tested, and we'll figure out what those comments are on the PR.
Yeah.
But that was my day.
Awesome, man.
Did.
You're killing it.
Thanks.
J Money.
Yeah, Nate rocked it. I had to hold his hand quite a bit, but it's okay. I got shared unit tests for all 3 of our Apple platforms set up and working today. Really cool. And I've just been going through and updating all the data model tests now. And I just jumped into our API authentication stuff, and I'll be refactoring that now. So it was a good day. Oh yeah, and I got some test flight builds up for iOS and tvOS, and I believe Johnny sent one out for Mac as well to get testing done. We do need one thing though before we can send these out, and we're going to need a pre-release course. It can be anything. We just need to test the UI to make sure it works.
Yeah, I'd love to get live some stuff I'm working on for iOS 11. So when do you need this stuff by?
I mean, if we want to put it in our dev DB right now, we can see it on all of our test flight apps right now and make sure.
Okay. I guess I'm just trying to figure out schedule because Jason has things to do tonight, and I just want to be respectful of his time, and he's gonna have to be the one to upload that stuff.
It just depends when we want to submit these apps.
Well, ASAP. Tell me. I just need a time and a date when you need this stuff by.
I'll submit these apps as soon as we can confirm the testing on.
Okay.
I'll
talk to you after about getting.
I can have those in 24 hours or less.
Okay.
They're in Dropbox, right?
They're in Dropbox, yeah.
Okay, I'll just download them and then have them all uploaded to Vimeo like overnight because that stuff takes a while. So I'll upload it while I sleep. I can get that started tonight.
Okay, I'll tell you which sections and stuff.
Okay.
All right, cool. Yeah, and then once that's confirmed, we can go ahead and get everything submitted.
I might also say, for those of you who are watching, this feature that we're talking about is pre-release. If you get a Devslopes subscription, you will get courses as we are making them. So when we finish a section, it goes up right away. You don't have to wait for it like everyone else will have to wait. You get them before anybody else, so you can learn as we go along. Really cool feature, highly requested. Subscription only, devslopes.com/subscribe. And
yes, lifetime backers count in that subscription mention.
Lifetime. It's gonna be good. Nice, man. Good stuff. My update for today is basically just QA'd the whole day. Tested some stuff on Mac, TV, got the iOS builds, all looking really good. Until we break out some cards that we can dive into some specific stuff. But I went pretty deep on them, and everything seems to be working great. And then heavy QA on the website. Obviously about to jump into this video. I should have it within the next hour once we jump off here for the SaaS target topic. And then, yeah, just other, small maintenance stuff like emails, customer support, things like that. But yeah, it's going good. Mark, I forgot to tell you. So the guy that we were working with, for those of you guys know, the guy that we're working with to kind of get our courses out on other platforms, we did some promotions, and we have like 400 emails of students who opted in. I just need to access it because I think they put me through a different portal, so I don't have the same admin panel. But
that's great.
But yeah, additional 400 emails of leads and stuff, which is going to be great.
Nice.
So yeah, that was my day. And then Caleb, he can't make it today, but his update is he started digging into Core ML and made an app to classify objects and images using a pre-trained ML model. That sounds really cool.
Yeah, that was cool. I liked his Instagram story with it.
Yeah.
Really awesome.
The Instagram story really helped designers like me understand that long sentence I just read. But yeah,
Love it.
Sounds good, guys.
Jack, could you do me a favor and in the README file of the web platform, could you list out deployment steps there? I know.
Yeah.
I know. Yeah. I'm thinking just tonight and stuff. I don't want to bug you, and I can do it. I promise I won't break it. And if I do, I have your phone number.
I just take it for granted because I do that stuff every day.
Yeah, sorry. Well, it was the only one I couldn't find steps on anywhere. Like I couldn't even find the repo.
I don't think I ever documented it anywhere.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Jack, you should make a video and like post it somewhere. So every time somebody accesses, and you should say like, if you're watching this, you obviously didn't pay attention in my tutorial and my README.
I'm touching something and a video pops up. It's like, Mark, don't touch that.
Oh, cool.
All right, guys. Sounds good. Let's get to it.
Yep.
Peace.
All right, see you guys.
See ya.